Guess what? SEPHORiA is back!
It is the beauty event of the year. It's a beauty lover's playground. It's an amusement park. It's a carnival. Like, I don't know, there might be a roller coaster, who knows? There's so many cool things that happen at SEPHORiA. It's back both online and in person, which I love because anybody can attend. And we're just so excited for all of you to enjoy it.
Me and Maisha are gonna go over our top 5 favorite aspects about SEPHORiA to get you excited as well. The first thing we wanna talk about is all the free goodies. You're gonna get so much free stuff at SEPHORiA, seriously.
If you're traveling, bring a carry-on. I'm traveling, I'm bringing a carry-on. There's like free eyeshadows over here, little like moisturizers with your name on it. Like I have things I still use like years later and good for your kit.
And great for travel, but literally every brand there is gonna have something to give to you just for having a smile on your face and just for loving beauty. Who doesn't love free stuff?
And there's services too, so like all kinds of stuff. And the second,
keep it together, friends.
And the second thing we are super excited about is the masterclasses. There are gonna be so many. Natasha Denona over the years has done them, and she's my absolute favorite.
She's amazing to watch.
So to watch her work in person has always been so fun. There's so many of your favorite artists and brand founders or skin founders that you can learn more about in depth. Like it's so incredibly fun to sit at those masterclasses and just absorb everything from your favorite brands.
I like that you brought up skincare because oftentimes we think about masterclasses, we think about makeup, but learning about the why behind skincare, why founders chose ingredients, what the ingredients actually do, where the inspiration came from.
And the Q&A.
So exciting. Yeah. Q&A is great at a masterclass. Get all those questions ready, get them answered, get behind the scenes, if you will.
You might not have another chance to ask maybe like Dr. Dennis Gross about your acne or something like that. Like he's one of my faves too. So
Me too.
It's so cool to get an actual answer from your favorite people.
The third thing I want to talk about, if you like to create social content, SEPHORiA is the place for you. Whether you are a top tier beauty influencer or somebody who just likes to have fun with their social media, SEPHORiA is literally set up that every corner, every nook and cranny is an area for you to capture the most gorgeous, exciting social content ever.
In the past, we've had gigantic sized bottle of La Mer you could walk through, playground size Fenty Diamond Bomb highlighter that you could like throw glitter up in the air. There's flower walls, ball
There's
pits,
nowhere
craziness.
in SEPHORiA that is not content creatable and fun. There's often founders who are there in the booths who are also willing to jump into your pictures with you. I remember Charlotte Tilbury taking pictures with everyone in her booth. It's really a place to create that social content that's exciting and easy. And basically all you gotta do is walk around with the phone. That's it.
And if you're attending online, it's almost like a video game. It has this like really cool atmosphere. So don't think you're missing out too much. I had a really good time doing virtual SEPHORiA. So number 4, no surprise, more product. Sometimes there's like special launches, special drops or bundles. Like we can't promise anything, but there's been many times where there's things you can only get at SEPHORiA or like a week before your friends, which I just love teasing people and saying like, I got this new palette way before you can.
Yeah, there's a lot of SEPHORiA exclusives, whether it's customizing. Sephora Collection did one year. They took a photo of you. They used that photo to wrap your lipstick.
I put my dog on it every year.
Oh, it's so cute.
I have like 2 or 3.
And then there was like engravings. You could get a lipstick tube engraved. I had one done for my mother. So there's so much exclusive products at SEPHORiA that it's just fun for that alone because you get to walk away and be like, I've got something that nobody else has.
Our 5th and final thing is just meeting people. There's so many people that I DM all the time about beauty advice for years, and they'll tap me on the shoulder and they're like, oh my God, thank you for always listening to me or always like telling me about the new launch. There's so many people that are exclusively online, and then to meet them in person, it just has this really great feeling. Don't be afraid to come up to us. Like seriously, like we will absolutely love it and talk your ear off and like walk you. I do tours around SEPHORiA, so I'm the official tour guide. So many friendships to be had at SEPHORiA.
The whole vibe of the event is making friends within the beauty community. So even if you show up alone, you will leave feeling part of a beauty community, feeling part of Sephora's family. A lot of people leave it with a smile on their face. So there you have it, our favorite top 5 things that we love about SEPHORiA. We hope to see all of you there in person, hopefully. If not, virtually. Wait, Maisha, are you gonna be at SEPHORiA?
I shall be at SEPHORiA. Are you gonna be there?
Of course I am. And don't forget to follow along on Sephora's social channels, social media. It will be up to the moment, all exciting, all interesting. Stay tuned and happy SEPHORiA, everyone.